how to find a subway near you on website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you'll need to turn on your location to find the subway near you. I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's get started. Open up any browser and head over to subway.com. Then you can see find a subway beside menu on the home page itself. Tap on it and then it will take you to a new page. There you can see that subway.com wants to know your location. You can choose allow while visiting the site or allow this time. And then once you do this, it will filter your location and then find the subway near you. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.